You call that fasting? You're just changing your eating habits from day to night? Well, mister, you clearly have no idea what Ramadan is. Let me break it down for you. Firstly, discipline. Changing when you eat takes real strength. When your body is used to food and doesn't get it, you literally get withdrawals. You get cravings, mood swings, even headaches. But when you don't give in, this is when the magic happens. You're proving something very powerful. You're in control again. Not your cravings, not your ego, not your physical body. You, with God's permission, of course. Number 2, you learn to be humble. We don't need nearly as much food as we think. Today's society is so excess and so absurd, and honestly, it's not even good for us. Number 3, it helps you to break bad habits. Morning coffee addiction, gone. Smoking addiction, gone. Snacking throughout the day, completely gone. It's a scientific fact that it takes 30 days to break a bad habit. And guess what? Ramadan is 30 days. Number 4 is gratitude. When you go without, you appreciate what you do have. Number 5 is empathy and charity. When you feel hungry, you actually realize the struggles of those less fortunate than you. Ramadan reminds us to help others that are in need. Number 5, to strengthen family bonds. Ramadan brings loved ones together to break fast. In our normal busy schedules, shared meals are often neglected, but Ramadan revives this amazing habit. And lastly, but most importantly, is number 7, getting closer to God. When we detach from worldly desires like eating, we turn into like this angelic state. It's actually freaky. Like, until you try it, you can't even understand it. By forgetting our physical body's needs, our soul thrives. We focus more in prayer, reflection, and worship. When you're in this state of detachment, it becomes so much easier to connect to God, seek forgiveness, and purify your heart. We have to remember that our Creator created us. He knows us better than we know ourselves. We need this yearly reminder of Ramadan to come back to Him, realign our souls, and fix our bad habits. So when you think about it, Ramadan is not just a Muslim thing. It should be a humanity thing. It's something that everyone needs to try, whether you're Muslim or not, because the benefits are just astronomical. What do you guys think?